Morning, everyone. Good morning. Sorry, due to some technical issues, live session. I don't know why my laptop is being crashed. So it's completely crashed. I don't know why it's been crashed. So I just restarted my entire PC and my network and everything. I think still I having some network issues, but anyways, so let me show you the project what we are talking about. So over here, so this is the project. This is the initial login screen that the user can able to see, just like the same example what we did previously. Okay, so what we did previously, we created a project, and but we doesn't have any admin privileges or anything else. So but in this project we have the admin privileges. Admin can able to track the app and everything. Okay, admin can able to track the order and change the status of the order and manage the items, and he can add the new item, and he can able to delete an item, and he can able to monitor the users. So and he can able to check the payment status. Admin have literally every features for the admin is added over here, and we're going to use the Stripe payment for this particular project. Okay, so that's why this project is being uploaded as a complete course. So this is that you can click the link in the description below, and you can open that, and you can, that is a special offer is going on, which is 50% of offer, which is a very limited for very few number of seats. And this project is going live by tomorrow morning. This course is coming live by tomorrow morning, so you can able to watch the recorded sessions of this particular project step by step and layer by layer. Each session consists of 10 to 15 minutes, so that you can learn the concepts, and you can learn each sessions n number of times. That's up to you. All right, so click the link in the description below and start enrolling this course, and you can use this discount code. You will get the 50% of offer. Now allow me to explain this complete project. Okay, and this session is not only about this project. This session is all about doubt clarification session also. So you can able to you can ask your questions. Like I think a lot of people are facing some lot of issues, not only in this project and the previous project. We can ask your questions over here, and we can clarify the sessions through this live session. And just feel free to post your questions in the chat box, so that we can discuss the all your questions and clarify all your doubts. All right, so here, and you can see this is a nice login screen. No, sorry, nice loading page. That means the landing page of the particular project. And you have this nice slider, which is nicely done by using the swiper slider. Previously we added that 2 different buttons where the user can click back and forth to move forward and back. In this case I just removed it, because a lot of people are facing the issue with that. So I just removed it completely, so that you can click and move back and forth just like this easily, and it works smoothly for even mobile devices, tab devices, and for desktop devices and everything. And we have this nice filter just exactly like the same way previously, so no changes in that. If you click the drinks, that will load the drinks over here, and if you click the desserts, that will load the desserts options, like all the desserts. So very limited items I added so far. So if you added multiple items, you can see everything over here. And now what we can do is, I can add a product directly to the cart. All you have to do is to click add, and you can see this nice icon, and it's showing this added to the cart. And you can see that product is successfully added to the cart. Once it's added to the cart, and you can see that it's showing this count over there, and click that, and you can see if it will gives you the subtotal over here and the grand total over here. If you click this plus icon, that will increase the quantity of that particular item, and it will gives you the subtotal and as well as the grand total. If I click one more item, so that will be added to the cart as well, but it's taking some delay because of the streaming and because of the cloud function, and but still it's working fine. Once it's deployed, it will be fine. Currently everything is running from my local machines to avoid the loading, but still, even if it is in the local machine, because of streaming, it's taking some time, so no issues. So now if you want to delete a product, or if you want to remove an item from here, all you have to click this minus. So it doesn't matter even if you're refreshing the page, this will be the items, the cart items, whatever you added, it will be it will be persisted. It will not going to anywhere. It will be persisted over there. So bro, please start React Native project, please, with React Native Expo and Redux toolkits. Of course, I'm planning to do some projects with React Native, So just I need some time to work on the multiple projects. I'm having a lot of projects in my hand, so which need some time to work on all the projects and to monitor, because currently working in 3 different projects. So it will take some time, but I will come up with a nice project for the React Native for mobile application development also. So no issues. All right. So just like the same way, this is the product, and like we can close this cart. All right, so that will be closed. And then if you click this dashboard, so let's move on to the admin privileges, and let's see what is the admin can able to do. Click the dashboard, and you can see this project will gives you the chart, like the count of each categories, what is rice item, how many rice items we have, and the curry, the grains, desserts, and the order status. According to the order status, this chart will be generated. So basically we are using the core UI charts to bring this nice charts over here. So, and then if you go to the orders screen, these are the orders which is previously placed before, and you can see the status, what is the status, and what is the status of the item, whether it is preparing or delivered. So admin able to change this status of it. So in case it is showing preparing, in case if you want to deliver, make these changes to delivered, all I have to do is to click delivered. So that will change this preparing status to delivered. So see here, it's delivered now. All right. So just like the same way, if you go to the items, you can able to see all the listed items, and you also have the actions also over here. So if I want to edit it, I'll have to click this edit data. If I want to delete this item, just click this delete item. This data table is nicely done by using the material table, by using material UI. So what kind of project should I develop to get a job in the market? So basically, if you want to get a job in a market, if you want to get a job, you need to go for real-time projects. At least you should have 3 to 4 real-time projects in your hand. Like the you can see in YouTube, you can find a lot of cloning projects like Spotify clone, Uber clone, and LinkedIn clone. You should have those kinds of projects in your hand. In your resume, you should have those kinds of projects. And you should have those projects as a live. You should have your project as a live. So when you add the link in your resume, the recruiter should be able to view that project. So that will gives you an added plus points. Okay. And if you're going for a job interview, of course, you should have some international certification. That will change the view of the recruiter when he's watching your resume and all those things. So it's better to have some international certifications also. So go for full stack projects, go for full stack real-time projects. Go for full stack real-time projects and go for international certifications. That will gives you the some added advantages. All right, so that's fine. Thank you. And then over here, let's get back to here. And here you can see we have this material table. So the user can able to like filter out or sorting out. You can able to do that sorting and filtering and everything. And you can able to search the product directly over here. Let's say if I want to search any specific product, or let's say if I search for like strawberry or something, see, here we go. So that will filter out the entire data what we have in our list, and that will be giving you the exact terms which is matching that particular. If you want to search it by category wise, all I need to type fruits, that will list out only the fruits, and the pagination, everything will work fine. And if you want to display 5 rows, maximum 10 to 15, 20 rows, you can adjust the view of your according to your wish. Okay, so I'm giving 10 rows now, so now it's listing out the 10 rows. So this kind of customizations and everything, which is nicely done by using your material table itself. All right, and we have the permissions to add a new item also. So you can able to upload the files directly. from the local host, you can able to upload the file. You can choose a file and that will be uploaded directly to the Firebase cloud, Firebase storage. And if you click the users, so far the users is empty, it's showing empty. The reason why, yeah, so far the users array is empty. So like over here you can see these kinds of privileges will be done by using the admin. So let's move on to the home screen now. And the main important part that you guys keep on asking about this project is about the payment. So payment gateway, we successfully integrated the payment gateway as well. We're going to use the Stripe payment gateway. So let's open the Stripe dashboard first. So let's go to the Stripe dashboard. Because to work with the Stripe dashboard, you need to create a webhooks in the Stripe, so that that webhook will constantly monitoring your the data, like whether the is there any payment is keep on processing and all those things. You need to open that and you need to log in with your Stripe payment. So let me open my terminal and let me log in over here. Terminal, let me open it. And let me bring the terminal over here. So it's taking some time to log in. All right, so it's logged in successfully. So Stripe login is completed. And now we need to make sure it's listening to the webhook from our local host, because we haven't added this in the production mode. Still, it is in the local host only. So let me add that link. Where is that? Index over here. Just a moment, let me copy that link and paste it. So I copied it. Where is that terminal? Over here. So now what we need to do is to paste that link. So this will constantly listen to this the local host. In case if it is in the production mode, yeah, so I'm getting lag. That's because of overheat. My MacBook, it's constantly getting overheat. I'm not sure why the problem is persisting. I'm still trying to figure it out. What's the mistake? So this is my first streaming. I'm not sure whether I configured everything perfectly or not. I'm not sure. I will fix these issues in the next streaming. No issues. So I'm not sure why this is happening. I'm sorry. All right. So here now let's start running this virtual hook. So this will constantly listen to your payment. And now it's ready to listen our payment actions and everything. Let's get back here and click the checkout. So that will takes you to the Stripe payment gateway option. So here we go. So now it's taking you to the Stripe checkout page, which is completely done by using your Stripe payment itself. So still my live is freezing or it's working fine? Because I'm getting a mistake, like a lot of people are facing the same issues. All right, so let's fill the details over here and let's give some details. Let me give some dummy informations. So Stripe will provide you some you can use some dummy details to work with your card. So like a dummy card, we can use this dummy card information. So that will gives you the that gives you the permissions to debit, and it will store the informations in the Stripe dashboard. So now let me give some random CVV. So once you click pay option, if you click the pay option, this will take some time to process, and like 10 to 15 seconds maximum. See, now it's processed. Once it's successfully processed, it will navigate it to the amount paid successfully. And if you go to the Stripe payment gateway dashboard over here, let's go to the dashboard. And if you go to the payments, and now you can see this is the payment which is successfully done. See, 46 rupees. And if you go open this payment, and there you can see what is the product we ordered and what is the quantity, what is the unit price, and what is the total amount, and what's the payment status. Everything will be stored over here, from which location and which card, and everything it will be get collected inside your Stripe payment gateway itself. So it's working now, it's successfully stored, and as the same way the orders also will be successfully placed in your database. If you go to the dashboard and if you go to the orders, it's taking some time, and you can see that, see, this is the order which we placed previously, right? So this is a complete full stack project, but it's having some timing issues that we need to tune this project to work much faster because of the complex the network issues and all those things. It's taking some time. Once we deploy this product in the production mode, this will be completely fine. Okay, so like this is the project that you're gonna learn in this complete course. This is the project that you're gonna learn in this complete course. So click the link in the description below, or you can click the chat box. I pinned that chat in comment in that chat box. So click that registration link and you can able to purchase this course and use this code VR51. So you will get the 50% of offer, and this course is coming live by tomorrow morning. So that this course will really help you to understand the React and the Node.js Express and Firebase storages and Firebase collections and Tailwindcss and Material UI, and including the Stripe payment. Basically, you're gonna learn everything inside the single course with the real-time project. So apart from this, like if you're having any questions, that because since I'm watching in the Discord that a lot of people are facing lots of issues, so let's discuss your questions over here, because a lot of you guys are keep on asking facing lots of issues in the project. Even I never faced some those kinds of error when I'm working on that project. So you can ask your questions. What are the projects you are currently working on? If there are any issues in your project, please feel free to post it in the comment, so that I can able to monitor the I can able to rectify that issues. And guys, when you're asking for the errors, so kindly please give me the error codes and as well as the coding what you written in that particular file, so that helps me to understand your error much better, so that we can able to rectify that error together. Yes, of course, I do mentor. I'll do take private classes. I do mentor. I'll try to help out as much as possible. Yes, of course. So I think because of my network issue, my streaming having a little bit lagging. So apologize for that. Let me fix that issue in the next streaming. And I'm planning to go live streaming in every week with the different projects. So soon we will have a lot of live streaming with the different projects, so that we can build the projects together in a live streaming itself. So let me fix this issue as soon as possible. Of course, I will do that a separate video to how to integrate this Stripe payment gateway in my video as a separate video, so that no issues. We will go for a separate video for the Stripe payment. How can I get that? How can I get that? Like in the sense, like how are you asking? Like, do you want me to go for how to train you separately? Is that way? So if you want me to train you separately, so please feel free to send a message to this number. It's my WhatsApp number. It's my WhatsApp number, business WhatsApp number, and as well as this my business email. So feel free to contact me over there, or you can use this Discord group itself directly. You can send a message. I will definitely get you back soon once you finalized. Once I watch the questions and the requests and everything. So this course is coming live. The people who already purchased this course, and a lot of you are calling me and asking why I can't see the videos and all those things. Don't worry, this course is coming live by tomorrow morning only. So you don't have to worry about it. And the course will be coming live by tomorrow morning, so that you can able to watch all the recorded sessions and for unlimited time by using your username and password. So this course is coming live, and we have very few limited of seats which having this 50% offer. So click the link and then purchase this course, and you will be able to build this complete project by yourself by watching that recorded sessions and everything. And give me some ideas like for what project that we can build together. Give some ideas like we can build this project in a live session. Give us some ideas like what, like if you're having any projects, any ideas that you're having in your mind, feel free to put it in the comment in the chat box, so that we can go for that project in the live session itself. We'll build that project together in the live session, whether it is a React Native or if it is a full stack development or any specific concepts. So give it in the chat box so that we can discuss that in the live session itself. So since this is my second live session, so we are facing lots of technical issues as well. Anyways, that's fine, totally fine. We can make it. That's good. And just give us the question. Just give me the some concepts, ideas like this. If you are hosting this, that will be good for us. So something like that, like what kind of projects or what, any specific concepts. Doing NFT marketplace, you can do that. Sure, let me look into it. Share your ideas on projects. Sir, make projects that help us to find. Sure. Definitely, of course, I will try my best to help you to place you in a better job in a better market. So no issues. I will create a projects for you. And I'm definitely, guys, I'm working on a lot of projects currently right now, like e-commerce and as well as the full stack applications, including the Stripe payment gateway. So everything is going on, like social media applications and personal blogging, something like that. So projects are happening, projects are continuously we are working on. So it will take some time so to deliver it to you guys. Thanks for your support. All right, no issues. All right, that's fine. So like that's it for the session. So just want to show you like what is the project is all about, and what is the special offer is going on, and when the course is going to come on live, because very all of you, the students whoever already purchased this course, they have a lot of questions regarding this project. So I came live to clarify all those questions. So don't worry about this project, this course is coming live by tomorrow morning exactly around 10 a.m. So don't worry about it. This will be live definitely by tomorrow morning. So you will have your course in your hand by tomorrow morning. So that is a very limited number of seats once again. So please purchase the course before that, like use this offer VR discount code VR1. So click the buy now, so that VR1 will, that you can see that offer, it will shows up, and if you click continue, and that will shows that that code will automatically appear. So purchase this course and you can able to build this project by yourself. And sir, please start making videos on React and React Native interviews and guide us how to apply for big companies and many more. Okay, I'm just on posing, sir. can you, how can I error handling? So when it comes to error handling, guys, the best way is to use the console. Try to maximum use the console log, and whenever you're doing console log, you can understand the flow. First, you need to understand the flow of your website or the application, whatever you're building. Understand the flow, where it's going, how the function is being triggering. So you need to, if you understand the flow, so you can easily monitor that error handling and learn the mistakes. Try to learn the mistakes. If you learn your mistakes, keep your note on your right hand on your table. If you're facing any error, please note it down, what error it is and how did you resolve it. Please note it down, so that will help you to keep track of your errors and your mistakes and everything. Once you start notifying your mistakes, you can easily handle your errors. Making videos on interview questions, of course, I will plan on it. So I will check on my friends who's already working in the industry, so I will have a little communication with them. So let me check with them, and then I'll get back to you with those kinds of videos as well. All right, that will be really interesting. That thanks for your ideas to giving the informations to make the videos on those contents as well. I will try my best. Thank you. Error handling is the most important stuff as a web developer. Of course, even if you ask any any developers who's working in the industries for a very long time, it's sometimes handling the errors, it's a bit hectic. So you need to note down all your mistakes, whatever the mistakes you are making or whatever the errors you are happening, how did you resolve it and why this error has happened. You need to note down everything in a notebook or in notes in your system itself. That's the best way to handle your errors, to learn the errors, and you can able to handle it. So is there any questions? Best way is to note down the errors in a notebook. Understand the flow. All right, everyone. Thanks for attending this session. So, all right, everyone. Soon I will come up with the live projects and everything so that we can build together in this live streaming itself. And apologize for any inconvenience during this live sessions. So I will try to fix that in the next session itself, like any technical issues, or if you have any suggestions like regarding the live streamings and all those things, so feel free to share it with me. So that will be really helpful for me to improvise myself so that I can deliver a much better content to you guys. So feel free to give us suggestions to how to improvise the live streaming and everything, and as well how to improvise the content as well. That will be really appreciable. So don't so feel free to give any suggestion, even if it is a negative suggestion. It's fine. We will try to improvise it ourselves. So that will help us to improvise it, and that will help us to deliver a better content for you only. So feel free to give us the suggestions. And you can use my email, and you can use that WhatsApp contact number. So you can contact me directly through my WhatsApp number or through my email. I will try to deliver the content as much as better before. All right. So take care. I will see you with the real interesting projects in the upcoming sessions.